Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to schedule tweets on Twitter X. So for this, first of all, go to x.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, now here we have to write a new post here. So let's say just type any post here like, hey there, I am new to Twitter. Okay. Once you write your post and you edit it, now here we have this calendar option. Click on it and from here you can schedule your post like when you want to schedule your post. I want to schedule it on April 1 2026 or 2025, whatever you want, and the time will be 12 a.m. or p.m. Click on confirm. Now you can see it is indicating that this post will send on Saturday 29/25 at 10:11 a.m. Once the post is scheduled, now click on schedule and it is scheduled on this date. So now your Twitter post is scheduled. So in this way, you can schedule Twitter posts on X. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.